Being someone who was always very interested in movies, who loved to go into theater, watch movie, and just imagine how this whole system worked. I was always fascinated with the idea of having a theater at home. And to put it in a nutshell, having a projector at home which can put a screen that is so huge, so monstrous in size. But there was an issue. These projectors, they used to cost insane amount of money back in those days. So obviously, when I came into college, when I start making a little bit of earning, I always wanted to own myself a projector. But since it was not something which was high up on my list, I never got the chance to actually own one and see how it actually works until yesterday. While walking across Walmart, I always go on that section where they have new gadgets and stuff coming around. Sometimes they have a really interesting product just sitting there, and I'm like, how is this even possible? And yesterday was one of those days when I saw a projector for merely 60 bucks. So obviously I was in a weird position where I was like, that's a projector, I want that, but it's also 60 bucks. It is one of those things which is too good to be true, to put it in the simplest way. So I decided to go ahead, buy this product, bring it home and review it, unbox it and see how this works. Just as a disclaimer, I am no projector or TV expert, so I can't give you the exact detail and the number and how this thing works and how it is supposed to be functioning and does it stand up in the number category and all. I'm just someone who loves movie, who always wanted to own a projector, sees this projector which is super cheap and definitely affordable, and just wanted to give it a try and see if it's worth it and if you should buy it if you're somewhere in the same category as I am and have a home theater, I guess. This is the projector. It's by RCA, home theater projector, nothing much. I don't know what language this is. Besides that, it says that it has 2 HDMI, it has 1080p capability, LED projector lamp, and 50,000 hours LED lamp life. That's a lot of time. And 150 inches of picture size. So yeah, I guess it is kind of a home theater if you want from this. Nothing more in the box. It does come with a remote and that's pretty much about it. So let's go ahead, unbox this thing, see what's in this. The remote is just like any remote. It doesn't feel cheap and I don't know, just from the outside looks pretty decent. Nothing I would mind having in front of my guests when they arrive at home. Just a couple of manuals which no one really cares about. I don't even know why they put it in here anymore. I guess the guidelines, so there's that. This is the power adapter, and this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is our near dear projector, the $40 projector. Ain't that awesome? Woo! Yeah, kind of the idea of how to put it and how to adjust the focus adjustment and the keystone adjustment. I really have no idea what that means. Oh, it even has its own lens case. That's pretty neat. This is very compact in size. I like that. I mean, I always have a thing for things I can carry with myself whenever I'm on a go or something like that. You know, just in a tailgating of a football game, just put it outside and you know, near the stadium and just throw a projected game on screen where people can come, see, sit with me, have a fun time. So that's pretty decent for that. And let's see how this works in the real projecting and stuff. It did take me some time to get used to the adjustment of the focus, but once it worked perfectly and I was able to see everything crystal clear. No doubt when I used to get very close to the screen, I could easily see things blurring out, so maybe this is not the best projector if you want to type things, but For picture quality, perfect. I was easily able to see my old video here of the iPad review, and I loved watching that in the bigger screen. It was an amazing experience, and this thing did not let me down at all. Revolutionize things which we thought could never be out there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, happens to be iPad 12 Pro Max. This goes without saying, but this thing does not have a speaker. But the picture quality was amazing. I was very happy with the overall result and can't wait to see how far this thing can actually go. I'm really impressed with the $60 projector as of right now. A laptop, so people didn't exactly know how to feel about it. Regarding that, Steve Jobs was... So overall, I can say that this thing is pretty awesome. I mean, I was able to project my computer onto a bigger screen, onto a bigger wall, was able to see a movie, a YouTube video, and just, I don't know, do whatever things one does in a projector, which is for their home and not for office. I mean, obviously there are a lot of projectors out there that gives you a way better image quality, a way better picture quality than this. I mean, there are literally projectors out there for thousands and thousands of dollars. But to someone who just needs a projector to see a movie in a bigger screen at their house, or a bigger, I don't know, projector at their house, this thing works great. And let alone the fact that this is less than $100. So obviously, if you're out there looking for a small projector just for your home, so that every Friday evening or sometime like that, you can see a movie with your family. You can just go on Disney Plus and watch Luca. I don't know, maybe this is for you. Maybe this is something you should see and have a home theater in your home. So that is it for this week, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Next week is gonna be something really awesome, something which is super close to my heart, and something which is kind of like an antique at this point. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.